Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a simple X-ray effect here in Premiere Pro. Getting started, we have a video clip here in our timeline. Make sure that that video clip is highlighted. Go up to Effects, type in Invert. Make sure that you put the invert from Video Effects on the timeline. Double click on that. Now keep in mind that here under Audio Effects is also an invert. We are not covering that today. Once it's on the timeline, navigate over to your effects control panel, click on that drop down. I like to use lightness, click on that. You now have an X-ray effect on your timeline. You can use other effects in here for different situations. Saturation will give you an effect like this. Luminance in most cases will give you the same effect as lightness. We're going to go back to lightness. To add some extra flair to this video, you can find an area on your timeline, make a cut, use your right arrow key to move over one frame and make an additional cut. Do this until you have enough frames cut out. Go back and delete every other frame. Doing this will give you an effect that looks like this. Additionally, you can copy all of those clips, move them up one track, take your original footage or other footage, place it below that track. Let's play it through now and see what the difference is. And so with just a couple of extra steps, you have now created the intro to this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future Premiere Pro tutorials.